What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ain't That Leader with Delo Media Creations. I am out here shooting, doing a walkthrough of this real estate property behind me. Agent broker reached out to me in need of a walkthrough video of this property. Should be done within a month. Once that month is up, we'll be doing another walkthrough of the finished product of this home. So we're pretty excited for that. But yeah, we're knocking it out. We're almost done. It's not too hot outside. Nice sunny day out here in Texas. So yeah, we're glad to be doing this. So stay tuned. Check out the inside of the house real quick and see how you like it. Plant that leader. I'm inside of the house this time. I am inside of the house. My memory cards are just about full. I have taken lots of slow-mo and time-lapse videos of this property, inside and outside. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, man. It's looking pretty good. Huge, beautiful property. It's an honor to have gotten this project. I'm looking forward to working on the next real estate property. Might even be this one right here across the street behind this one. So stay tuned for that. But if you guys have any questions on or concerns or anything that you want to ask in regards to real estate marketing and things of that nature, visuals, kindly just let me know or contact me at carlos6@delont.com. Visit www.delont.com to learn more. Thanks a lot.